The Fast Shade pop-up canopy from Celina Tent is a premier on-the-go shelter. Installing in minutes, each has been designed with benefits beyond the standard canopy to improve on most every aspect, from frame to fabric. All metal hardware, in this case steel, is powder-coated. The aluminum frame used on this Fast Shade creates a lighter frame, which is easier to carry and has a hex-shaped profile for added frame strength. Anodized aluminum is rust and weather-resistant. The canopy's peaks are lofted by a center mast that extends upward when the frame is expanded. Once the frame is pulled to its full width, the peak pushes against the canopy and stretches the top. When using a frame from Celina, additional tension can be placed on the top to further smooth out wrinkles by turning the crank located at the base of the mast. Connections made to keep the expanding framework in place use push-button connections. Push-button connections are also used to size the legs to different heights. The button is pressed and the fitting slid over top until it clicks, keeping the fitting in place. Similarly, Celina frames have a locking mechanism that operates using pin and hole locks. The locking pin is located in hardware outside of the metal frame, operated by a thumb button. This keeps fingers away from pinch points during installation and teardown. Hook and loop fasteners are used on both styles to keep the canopy attached to the frame. Basic frames have patches located at the centers of each side that allow the valance to be secured and keep it from flapping in breezes. The Celina top has these patches replaced with hook and loop straps, which wrap around the valance framework for better security. Shade canopies have a strip of loop that is attached along the hem of the valance, used to attach sidewalls and close off sections of the canopy. Celina not only sells these walls in addition to the canopy itself, but has 1.5-inch strips in contrast to the standard 1-inch to make attaching walls easier to hang. Store-bought canopies are available in a wide variety of colors, allowing you to choose one that fits your event. Beyond our ability to print a solid colored top, fabric tops could be made in a wide variety of colors, our dedicated graphics department can turn any image into a beautiful canopy. Fast Shade pop-up canopies are a higher quality alternative that give you a canopy you can use for years. For more information, accessories, and ordering options, visit us at gettent.com.